Hey everybody, in our reading stories for the rest of the week, we're going to be talking about families. So today we're going to read a story about a dad. This is about a little boy who goes to work with his dad. The title of this story is Building with Dad. The author was Carol Nevius, and the illustrator who drew the pictures was Bill Thompson. All right, so let's see what happens when this little boy goes to work with his dad. Building with Dad. Let's go for a ride, my dad says to me. I'll show you the spot where your new school will be. Would you like to help? You can visit the site. We'll check the construction to make sure it's right. What kind of job do you think his dad has? We wait till the groundbreaking work has begun. Watch bulldozers roar, pushing dirt, diesels run. We ride in the dump truck that's bringing in fill. I push the red button to make the rocks spill. I help Dad's mechanic. We count all her wrenches and watch as the backhoe digs long pipeline trenches. At noon, horns toot toot. The crew needs to eat. Dad lets me climb up to the earth mover's seat. Dad's giant grader smooths over the ground. His steamroller follows to crush the dirt down. Cement mixer turns out gray glop by the yard. The foundation forms, it sets up and dries hard. Cranes are like arms lifting girders and brick. Crews bolt, nut, and mortar them solid and thick. Zip zap, the power tools fasten the ply. The new roof is waterproof. School will be dry. The frames are the rib bones, a skeleton wall, outlining the classrooms, the gym, and the hall. So what is his dad helping to build? The team works inside, welding pipes using fire, sealing windows and tile, running cables and wire. The teachers have meetings. Dad's last workers rush. Our wax floors are gleaming and the toilets all flush. The bucket truck lifts us to check the new sign. I spell out each letter. I'm proud this school's mine. Construction is finished. Dad packs his last tool. The children arrive. It's the first day of school. And when I'm a grown-up, I hope I will be a builder like Dad with a helper like me. All right, so that little boy hopes that he grows up and gets to be a builder like his dad. Think about what your family, what your parents or your grandparents do. What do they do for their job? And do you think that's something you would like to do when you grow up, or would you choose a different job? Let me know what you think, okay? I'll talk to you soon.